Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to show you how to make a little paper houses advent calendar on a shelf. With Christmas only a little over a month away, I'm so excited to be partnering with The Brick again for a Christmas feature. They are sponsoring this video today, and they are a Canadian home decor, furniture, appliance, and electronics store. They've just released their 2018 holiday My Brick home catalog, and they've just announced an amazing contest featuring Courtney Wilson of Masters of Flip. If you're Canadian, make sure to check out the contest. I'll leave it in the description box below, where you can win a $36,000 brick shopping spree plus an e-design consultation with the Courtney Wilson. The Brick has asked me to recreate a couple of the DIYs from their holiday catalog, so today I'm going to recreate this advent calendar on a shelf. After you've watched this video, let me know which version you like the best, the Brick's or mine, and let's get started. For this project, I'm starting with a Stockbridge bookcase from The Brick, which is perfect for this project because it has these tapered shelves. So I found a pattern for paper houses that I cut out with my Cricut, but you don't have to have a Cricut machine to make paper houses. I'll leave a few options in the description box below that you can click on and cut out your own houses even without a machine. I made white bottoms on my houses, and then I cut out some glittery champagne gold cardstock for the roofs of the houses. So I wanted to keep this advent calendar very neutral and simple so that it would match any of my Christmas decor themes throughout the years. So I made 25 of these houses, and then I created a set of stickers. I'm also cutting this on vinyl, but you could just use number stickers, or you could just write the numbers on the houses with a pen. The options are endless, and you can totally use your own creativity. And then I put a number on each of the houses, numbers 1 to 25. After I was done making my little paper houses, I put them on my patent shelf. So I'm just arranging them from the bottom to the top, numbers 1 to 25. So for mine, I did different sizes of houses, which I think looks nice, but you could use all of the same sizes of paper houses as well. Then after, I put one chocolate in each of the houses so my girls can take turns and open up one house every day until Christmas. And then I found some bottle brush trees and I'm putting behind the houses on this shelf. This shelf is really nice and wide at the bottom. Even the top one's quite wide, so I could fit a lot of little things on this shelf. So bottle brush trees, some trees that I made with coffee filters, and some glittery gold bottle brush trees as well. Then I took a string of battery operated fairy lights, put the battery pack on the top of the shelf, and then I just wound the fairy lights from the top to the bottom shelves like this. I love the look of fairy lights at Christmas. I try to put them pretty much everywhere, so I love the addition of fairy lights to this advent calendar display. Then I took some fake snow and I'm just sprinkling it on each of the shelves to give each of these little displays a snowy effect. Then I found some glittery faux greenery, and I'm also placing that behind the houses as well to give it just a nice winter look as well. And here's how my little paper houses advent calendar turned out. I love how this looks. I think it is so adorable. I think miniature anything is super cute, and so I'm really excited about this advent calendar. It wasn't very expensive to create. I love that it's on a shelf, so it's really easy for my girls to access, and I think it's going to be such a hit this Christmas season. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the contest from The Brick in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!